Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DataLogix. Today we are going to unlock the hidden gems of Excel with 5 powerful tools. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this will boost your productivity instantly. So our first hidden gem is trim formula. It is used to remove extra spaces from the text, including leading, trailing, and multiple spaces between words. It keeps single spaces between words intact. Now, here in column C, in salesperson names, you can see there are spaces before the name. So, we will use here the trim formula to remove that space. And we will drag it down. Here you will get to know that the spaces before the name has been removed. So our next tool is CONCAT. It helps us to combine two cells into one. Let's check how it works. Here you can see that the product and the name of the salesperson has been concatenated. You can also give space between these two. Let's see how. Now you will get to see the space between the product and the name of the salesperson. So our next tool is text to column. It is used to split the content of a single cell into multiple columns. This tool is perfect for separating data such as names, email addresses, and other information that follows a consistent pattern or delimiter like commas, space, or tabs. Let's see how it works. First, we'll select the entire column, then we'll click on text to column. Here we got this delimited characters such as a comma or tab separate each field. We will click on next, select on space, again next, and finish. Here you can see the results. So our next tool is how to freeze the top row. First, you have to select the entire row, then go to freeze column and then select freeze top row. Now, in the result, you will get to see the top row has been freeze. So, our last tool of the day is index match. This is a powerful combination is used to search for value in a data set and return corresponding value from another column. It's more flexible and reliable than VLOOKUP, especially when your lookup value is not in the first column. Let's take an example of the above data and understand it how it works by using the formula. Here you can see the monthly salary of Bob has been removed from the data easily. You can change the name also, and you can see the salary got automatically changed. Thank you for watching our channel.